Hi, Israel Maya here, and I'd like to walk you through a walking meditation. Today, I'm in beautiful Black Canyon of the Gunnison in Colorado, and we're walking on one of the trails, one of the first trails actually that I saw, and it's a beautiful, beautiful place, very peaceful, very quiet, very shady, even though today is probably a nice 80 degrees at this point, and not very wet, not very dry. The conditions are just right. And it's a perfect day today to do a walking meditation. And you can choose your own spot to do a walking meditation. I'll walk you through it so you can understand how it works. It's really simple. It's just about staying focused and about staying present. You don't need to see me, just look at the scenery. And as you begin to walk in your walking meditation, tell yourself that each step that you take puts your mind into a deeper state. And all you have to do is become present. And your eyes can be open. Yes, you can do meditation with your eyes open. You can do hypnosis with your eyes open as well. That's what I teach when I teach the Painless Childbirth course. I teach you how to put yourself into a relaxed state of mind, into a deeply relaxed state of mind. And I also teach you to open your eyes in that state. So it's possible. Of course it's possible. And we do it all of the time. We're taking in the beautiful scenery. We're not rushing. And you can do this yourself. And you don't have to tell anybody what you're doing. You don't have to talk. You don't have to say anything. Just become aware of your surroundings. And remind yourself that each step that you take puts your mind into a deeper state. It doesn't have to be extremely deep with one step, just subtle. In any case, you're going to continue to walk, but each time your foot touches the ground and gives you an impulse forward, your mind is going a little bit deeper, just a little bit. And those steps add up. And you can stop for a moment and you can look around and take in the sights and see what's around you. If it's the sky, on how deep blue and beautiful it is, the clouds, the trees that are in front of you, the leaves, if it's birds, or the amazing pine smell that I smell right now. It's fantastic. And you can use this as a tool to clear your mind anytime you have the opportunity. Just to make sure that you're safe and make sure that you stay present and in the moment. And that's your walking meditation. I'm going to continue to walk. And I hope you've enjoyed this meditation and my interpretation of a walking meditation. You may interpret it a different way. You may do something that's different or something that's similar, or take some of the information that I've given you and use that or build off of it. And I'd love to hear your comments and how this has possibly helped you.